Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Webmaster user account in Plesk. Let's get started. So I am currently logged into my Pen Publishing Interactive account. I can see my services here. I'm going to just click the Linux web hosting plan that I have. Once I get here, I'm going to scroll down and log into Plesk control panel. Now, when you get here, I have different websites that I have in my account that I manage. And what you need to do first is you need to go to users on the left side here, and that you can manage users. Right now, there's only one, and with a role of owner. So what I want to create is I want to create a user account that is a webmaster. And the reasons you want to create one of this is maybe you have someone helping you with your website, but you only want them to be able to manage one of your websites, not all of them. So that's the purposes of creating a user that is a of role with Webmaster. So what you'll need to do is create user account. Click on that, and I'm going to the contact name, and then an email. And here's where you set the role. So you select Webmaster role, and this grants them certain privileges where they can manage the files and do what they need to do to help you with your website. So access to subscriptions. If you have more than one domain or more than one website on here, you can select it and lock it just to that, or they can have access to all of them. So obviously your drop down will look a little different than mine, depending on what you have on your account. So I'm going to just leave it all for now. And then my username is just their email or the email that I entered up here. I want to hit generate, and then I want to make sure that this user is active. And I hit OK. And that's it. Now this Webmaster user can log into Plesk and manage your website, or they need to do whatever you want them to help you with. So they'll have access to whatever directory you set them up for. So that's how easy it is to create a Webmaster user in Plesk. I hope this video has been beneficial. If you want to learn more about our company, please visit our website at penpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel to enjoy more of these videos as we release them. Thank you, and until next time.